Hi, in this video we will learn how you can create icon with text slider. You can see on your screen here we have the slider with having a image, a heading and a text part. So for this you can follow this block. So here you can see inside this block you will see all of the stuff that how you can add at the slider and what is the code and what is the slider name and all the instruction mentioned here inside this block. So let's dive into it and go inside the Shopify dashboard, and here is the dashboard. You need to click the three dots, and after that you will need to hit the edit code button. So in a while you will see this type of interface. It will take a second. So here you can see inside this left sidebar you will see a lot of drop downs. Inside this section drop down you will need to click the add a new section button, and after that you will need to copy the slider name and add it in this field. First you need to remove the code and then copy that code which I have mentioned here in this blog, and you will need to paste the entire code here inside this file, and after that you will need to click the save button. Then it's time to view the section code. You will need to click the customize button. It will take a while to load a customizer. So here's the customizer section, and inside the left sidebar you will see we have all the sections mentioned. Click the add section button, and then here you will need to search for icon, and here is the icon slider. So here you can see here we have the icon slider. You will need to click the block first, and then here you can able to add an icon for this blog, and also you can add a link for this icon. And if you want to remove the icon, then you can uncheck that box and the icon get disappear. Same like you can easily add the title. You can even add the description. You have the ability you can add any of the text here. Same like for rest of the blocks, and moreover you can add for the more icons. You can have the ability you can add icon, the link, icon link, and rest of the things. So here inside the icon slider section and on the right sidebar you will find all these options. So you have the option of you can align the alignment of these icons. So currently you can see in default it is in center, so you can also get into left icons. Also you can adjust the size of the icons. Even you can also control the icons per slide. Currently you can see there we have added three icons per slide. So also you can adjust the spacing, and even you can also have the option you can even add or remove the arrows. Apart from that you can even add the text size if you want. So here you can see by default it is on 100%, and you can have the ability you can change the style color of that heading text and even background. You have also furthermore options for mobile version as well. You can change the alignment for mobile version, and same like you can even control the icon size and for the mobile version, and same for mobile icon slide. Currently you can see we have select one by default, so you can see a single slide uh, for mobile version. Same for the layout, you can increase or decrease the layout. You also have the option of size layout, so you can even control the size layout. You can even control the maximum width, the inner padding, I mean the padding inside each block, and outer margin, the space between each slide, and apart from that you have the ability, you can change the heading and text and rest of the things. For that you will just need to click the override option, and you have also the option of to add css for the mobile version and css for the desktop version also. So that's it, that how it works.